Hello my friends, welcome back here on the channel. For today I have this project. This is a Kinney Chinese, all made in sheet metal, using lofting flange and flattened pattern. I use these drawings that I made for this project, the tube and the hat, and you can download this design in the first link of the description. Download the PDF file and follow the instructions here on the video. Let's start. Open a new design. Create a new component. This is sheet metal. This will be the Chinese hat here. On the bottom plane, create a circle with 310 millimeters. We need to create another plane with 50 millimeters distance. Create an offset plane here with 50 millimeters, and another circle here in this new plane with 1 millimeter diameter. Here in the sheet metal tab, we select the flange tool, change to lofted flange, select the two profiles here and here. For this project, we can leave this configuration with the side, change the orientation of the part. We can leave as side 1, and the chord tolerance for this project is 0.5 millimeters. Click OK. That the software can flatten the part, we need to create a gap. Just create a plane here, create a return here and here. This can be 200 millimeters. This midpoint needs to be constrained to the center. And this side 1 millimeter. Finish the sketch. E for extrude, and operation cut. Now here we can flatten this part and click OK. And if you need for your project, you can export this DXF file. As you want here, chemical and drawings. You can just hatch. You will see that you have the file. Just leave the outliner. You have the lines here needed to cut on a laser or a plasma cutter. Return to Fusion, finish here, return to the main project, and you can change these sheet metal rules here to 1 millimeter. And create another component in the sheet metal as Kinney tool. Here on the X and Z plane, create a line, another line that we will need to revolve this part as a center line. 108 millimeters. This is the diameter of the tube. These points align horizontal and create another line that needs to be a construction line, an offset of -7.5 millimeters. This -515 millimeters. These two need to be a construction, and these have a distance of 114 millimeters. Here on the design we have a radius of 20 millimeters. Create a 3-point arc here, here, and here, and a radius of 20 millimeters. We can cut this and make this distance as 200. Offset using the chain select to the internal part, just 1 millimeter, and close using another line here on the top and here on the bottom. Finish. Here on the solid tab, select the revolve. The accent will be this line and click OK. When we use a tool here on the solid tab, this creates a solid, but in this case that we need to flatten this part, we need to return here on the sheet metal, create and convert to sheet metal. Select the body and select it here. Now we have a sheet metal and we can flatten this part. For that we need to create a gap. Here and here, another line here horizontally as a construction. This point, hold the shift button and click here on the middle of the line. The distance needs to be bigger than the diameter for this case, and make this 1 millimeter. Now we can do the same process, return and cut this time. Create another sketch and we will create these holes here in the side. We can create these slots to cut this material. Select the slot, center point slot, here, here, and here. The distance is 9 millimeters on the border. Here, 9 millimeters, 15 millimeters, and 15 millimeters. Align that with the center and create a rectangular pattern. Select all these lines. The direction will be to the bottom in the vertical. We can create here 5 with 8 millimeter, and the distribution needs to be extended. And click OK. Finish this sketch. E for extrude. Select all the slots here, here, and cut this material. Now we need to revolve. Return here to solid circular pattern. The feature we need to select this extrude. The X will be the Z axis. The quantity is 14 millimeters. 14. Change to optimize and click OK. Now we can, here on the sheet metal, we can create a flat pattern here. The same process we can need to export as DXF file. Return to the main project. Here on the Chinese head, return to this project. We can create a sketch here on the bottom. Just a circle. We don't need measurements here. Just to facilitate the assembly. Return to the main project. The KineKnight tool needs to be grounded here. J, select this circle and this border. And change the Z offset to 31 millimeters. Okay, and return here and hide the sketch. You can cut this in a laser or a plasma cutter. Remember, you can download these drawings in the first link of the description. My book is free for download, and follow the instructions. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.